Quanzhou LiuShi Machinery Co., Limited, was founded in 2006. Headquartered in Quanzhou, Fujian Province, China, the starting point of the maritime Silk Road. It is a modern enterprise specializing in the production, research and development and service of unburned brick equipment. The company has rich production experience and technical reserves. The products cover almost all types of intelligent unburned brick equipment. 1. All models of block-making machines from 4 to 30. More than a dozen high-end configurations can be customized, including quick mold change, servo motor, multi-axis vibration, etc. 2. Various types of single-pressure static presses and double-pressure static presses. Very suitable for solid waste treatment and smelting. 3. Various models of free pallet brick machines. The most labor-saving brick-making equipment under specific conditions of use. 4. Multifunctional palletizer and sword-piercing baler. 5. Fully automatic RGV curing kiln production line, high-position forklift curing kiln production line. Bringing together a professional R&D team. Actively adopt advanced technologies from home and abroad. It has formed the technical core of the company. LS30 block-making machine successfully put into production in Hubei in 2024. It is the world's largest brick-making facility. The R&D team optimizes the design according to local needs and environment, meeting local construction needs. This achievement indicates that the company has reached the world's leading level in the research and development of block-making machine technology, demonstrates the company's strong technical strength and innovation capabilities. LS120 bidirectional pressure forming machine is the largest phosphogypsum block forming equipment in actual production capacity. The annual processing capacity of a single line can reach up to 100,000 tons. LS pallet-free brick-making machine is one of the brick-making machines with the least labor in the world. Only one person is needed to complete a series of processes including production, brick collection and maintenance, loading and shipping. Small investment scale, but impressive production capacity. The company has won dozens of authoritative certifications, honorary certificates and national patents. Created the Liu's brick machine brand, which is well known in the unburned brick equipment industry. In the future, Quanzhou LiuShi Machinery Co., Limited will stick to its original intention and continue to innovate, constantly injecting new impetus into the brick-making machinery industry. Actively support the construction of the Belt and Road. Contribute to the global construction industry.